Ang dami nagsasabi, extremely masculine men na feeling nila ang lakas makamacho pag sinabi nila na
dapat hindi ka emosyonal, malakas ka lang, matapang ka lang, dapat wala kang pakiramdam.
That's weak, okay? You don't reject your emotions. Because here's the catch, a lot of men would say, isip lang ako, logic lang ako. Still, they are coming from what we call a state of certainty. There's still an emotion there. Ang nangyayari, if they are thinking critically, they feel certain. Tandaan nyo, hindi mawawala ang emotion sa eksena. So either you reject it or you embrace your emotions. Because your emotions can be a compass. Yung emotions natin, yan ang magbibigay ng direksyon, ano yung gusto natin at ano yung ayaw natin. So pag may nagsabi, ako wala akong emosyon, utak lang tas action. Either they are a psychopath or they have a lot of fear. Takot silang i-admit na gusto nilang makasigurado. That's a state of absolute certainty. And for most people, for this hyper-masculine men, certainty means I will overthink this. Paplanuhin kong maigi, peperpeking ko yung plano. But still, there's an emotion involved. Hindi mo pwedeng i-reject yung heart mo.